My name is Kat Eglezos. I'm the Chief Changemaker of Caring Case, and we are a philanthropic initiative here in Phoenix, Arizona that provides care packages for folks in need. So unsheltered individuals, folks facing poverty and homelessness. This kind of happened by accident. It was a pleasant accident. I very much am a high-level empath, so I kind of got tired of seeing folks on the street. And when I say that, I mean I got tired of not being able to do anything about it. So a couple friends and I just started making care packages and leaving them in our cars. And anytime we would come across someone on the street, we would stop at a stoplight, go off the side of the freeway, go off an off-ramp, anything like that. We noticed that there was always someone there. So we would just pass out whatever we had. 9 times out of 10, it was food. So we just wanted to find a meaningful way to help people just in the small way that we could. So Caring Case started in July of 2019. The pandemic had a massive impact on Caring Case. It obviously uprooted everybody's lives. And just as we started getting off the ground and getting excited about what we were doing, everything kind of came to a halt for a couple months. But we adapted. So something we started doing was working with our friends at Social Spin a lot more. They have tons of individuals that come through them that are unsheltered and in need. So we started just making care packages individually and funneling them through Social Spin, where individuals already knew I can come here to get help. So that's something that we started doing, and it's just taken off ever since. Since the start, we keep track of every bag that we give out. We keep track, we count everything. We have 517 completed and passed out in the last 3 years. Caring Case reaches all across the valley. Primarily, we focused around the areas of downtown Phoenix and Tempe, but we're trying to branch out more. Just between those two, but we're open to every area. The best way that people can help us, share us online. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram at Caring Case, caring.case on Instagram, Caring Case on Facebook. And we can always use volunteers. If you know anyone who is passionate about homelessness or folks facing poverty, or if you just like to talk to strangers for fun like I do, it's a great way to get involved and see the impact that you can make in the community in a small way, but with a big impact. Yeah, it's as far as delivering cases, I mean, it's whoever we come across. It's open to everybody. There's no limitations at all. We can't do what we do without people, without your help. So anything is appreciated. We have our website. You can donate a Caring Case online. You can see what we have. We have our essential snack sack, which is similar to what you see here. That's filled mostly with food. It can feed a person for up to 2 days. And then there's the complete Caring Case, which is kind of a complete care package, which includes hygiene products, food, socks, dental products, tons of stuff. So everything is on our website, caringcase.org. Well, right now we just passed our 500th Caring Case, which is a massive deal considering we're a smaller operation. For 2022, we're really hoping to get to 1,000 Caring Cases. So that's the big goal. And just looking to work with as many people in the community as we can, looking to get more volunteers. Even if you only have, an hour or two a month, this is something that anybody can do. So we'd love to have you.